Hey everyone, Marty Morales here, Certified Advanced Rolfer and founder of the Morales Method. I'd like to invite you to our weekend workshop in Seattle. We haven't been to Seattle in a few years now, so I'm very excited to bring the Morales Method back to the Seattle area. This time we're going to be there July 20th and 21st with two really cool classes. The first one is a frozen shoulder specific class. So it's medical massage with focus on frozen shoulder. And the second class on the 21st will be knee and ankle. So medical massage with a focus on knee and ankle. We've got lots of great techniques, lots of great approaches that have their base in the Morales Method that we're going to show you on those 2 days, July 20th and 21st, at the Discovery Point School of Massage, a great venue. Regarding the workshops, we've got some great information here. Each workshop is 8 CEUs, so the frozen shoulder class is an 8 CEU workshop, and the knee and ankle class is another 8 CEU workshop. Together, if you take both classes, you can get 16 total CEUs, and these are NCB TMB approved workshops, so each one will be 8 CEUs for a NCB TMB, plus they are both approved by the Florida State Board of Massage. So you can get Florida State CEUs or NCB TMB CEUs. I invite you to take advantage of these tiered pricing discounts. The earlier you register, the better your discount. So please go ahead and sign up as soon as possible. We're really excited to bring Morales Method back to Seattle. Looking forward to being out there in this amazing city and seeing you all there. So please go ahead and register or contact us if you have any questions.